All right, everybody, back to combustion. Sorry. We're going to burn fuels and we only know their names. It's not as hard as it looks. We have to come up with formulas so we can combust. And just remember, there's only one formula you're going to memorize. That's for when there's no pi bonds, and no rings. When that's true, what's the formula? C N H 2 times N plus 2. Each ring removes 2 hydrogens. Oh. Each pi removes 2 hydrogens. And the good news is you won't see pi bonds for this question until test number 2. So you'll have rings though. We did rings already, right? And you see both examples have some cyclo in their names. Okay. So you do have to remember the groups also have carbons. How many carbons in an ethyl group? 2. 2 for ethyl. What about an isoheptyl group? Any heptyl group, how many carbons? 7. And how many in cyclohexane? 13, 15? So A, C15H 2 times 15 plus 2 is if there's no rings or pi. C15H32. Why am I subtracting 2 H's? Cyclo is in the name. You lose 2 H's for a cyclo. Okay, start the combustion. What's the other reactant in a combustion or reaction? O2. What are the 2 products in a combustion reaction? H2O and CO2. Order doesn't matter. Okay. If you go by C's, you're going to put a 15 in front of CO2. And then H's, how do you get 30 H's? Also a 15. Coincidental, huh? How about your oxygen count? How's it looking? How many oxygens in 15 waters? 15. And 15 CO2s is 30. Uh-oh, odd number. No problem. 45 over 2 times 2 gives 45. Got a fraction. What's the fix? What's the fix for a fraction? Multiply everything by the same integer to get rid of the fraction. Just make sure the number matches the fraction. 2. 2, 45, 30, 30. Final answer. That's all I need to see. Okay. In B, we'll do the number of the C's in different colors. And please. Why not? All right, the computer did that this morning too for some reason. How many carbons in an octyl group?
8.
Once again, we're doing numbers C. How about a terthexyl or any other hexyl? How about a tetradecane?
10.
Tetradecane. You give me the decane, yeah. So 28 is B. C28 H 2 times 28 plus 2 is not finished. Goes to C28 H58. 56 plus 2. Are there any cyclos at all in the name? Oh, yeah. And not just cyclo. How many cyclos in a bicyclo? I mean, literally in the name, it tells you.
There's
2 rings in a bicyclo. How many H's do you lose for 2 rings?
4.
Minus 4H. Just a reminder. Cyclooctal. 2 rings equals bicyclo. Because there's going to be students ask me, why did you subtract 4 H's? And there you go. C28 H54. There you go, right? Plus O2 gives H2O and CO2. You guys like the carbons first? I'm going to throw 28 in front of carbons. And throw 27 in front of the H's. Do we agree? 2 times 27 is 54?
Yeah.
All right. We're going to add up our oxygens. 27 plus 56. 83. 83 over 2. Yeah. And I didn't do a copy paste. Shame on me. Got extra. Extra, read all about it. The fix, 2 times 83 over 2, 83. 2 times 27, 54. 2 times 28, 56. End of story. Gotta work on my highlighting skills. There we go. Oh, I forgot the 2 in front of my fuel. Thank you. Highlighter's not a problem. Yeah. And that would have been a double error on, if that was the one that ended up on the multiple choice too, because I would have forgot to add that 2 to the coefficient. Remember on the multiple choice, you're going to add all the coefficients. You got to have a 2 and 83, that's 85. So just a reminder, sigma coefficient 85 plus 110, 195. Pick that answer in the multiple choice for whatever question that is. I'm guessing question 7. I don't know. Okay, that's that.